Hei alle sammen. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss how to demystify så at, så at in Norwegian, crafting clear cause and effect sentences. The Norwegian language offers a variety of ways to express relationships between events and actions with så at, så at being a prime example. This conjunction phrase is pivotal for those learning Norwegian as it lays the foundation for constructing cause and effect sentences. In our discussion today, we aim to shed light on the use of so, at, providing guidance for its correct and effective application. Understanding at, so, at. The phrase at, så at links two parts of a sentence. The first part before so presents a cause, and the second part after at, at reveals the effect. Its uses, while simple in concept, requires a clear understanding to convey the intended meaning accurately. Basic function så at, så at is primarily used to establish a direct cause and effect relationship. For example, han løp så fort at han vant løpet. Han løp så fort at han vant løpet. He ran so fast that he won the race. The first clause explains why something happened. He ran fast. And the second clause describes what happened as a result. He won the race. Variations in meaning. This construction can also capture various degrees of intensity and consequences. For instance, det regnet så kraftig at gatene ble oversvømmet. Det regnet så kraftig at gatene ble oversvømmet. Det regnet så kraftig at gatene ble oversvømmet. It rained so heavily that the streets were flooded. Another example is hun var så trøtt at hun sovnet på sofaen. Hun var så trøtt at hun sovnet på sofaen. Hun var så trøtt at hun sovnet på sofaen. She was so tired that she fell asleep on the sofa. Common usage in sentences. Incorporating at, så at into everyday Norwegian requires practice. Here are some examples to illustrate its common usage. Han lo så høyt at alle så på ham. Han lo så høyt at alle så på ham. Han lo så høyt at alle så på ham. He laughed so loudly that everyone looked at him. Kaken var så god at jeg spiste 2 stykker. Kaken var så god at jeg spiste 2 stykker. Kaken var så god at jeg spiste 2 stykker. The cake was so good that I ate 2 pieces. Filmen var så spennende at jeg glemte tiden. Filmen var så spennende at jeg glemte tiden. Filmen var så spennende at jeg glemte tiden. The movie was so exciting that I lost track of time. The så at construction is an essential component of Norwegian language for expressing cause and effect. Its correct usage not only aids in constructing grammatically sound sentences, but also helps in conveying thoughts and events with clarity and precision. For learners of Norwegian, becoming comfortable with så at, så at is a significant step towards achieving fluency and expressing oneself effectively in everyday conversations. Do you want to take Norwegian courses? We are now offering classes at all levels at A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, and C2. They are offering classes in Oslo or online. So if you're interested in taking Norwegian classes, you can go to our website nlsnorwegian.no. nlsnorwegian.no. We now have a referral program. So if you have a friend that wants to learn Norwegian and you refer your friend, you will get US dollar 150, and your friend will also get a discount 100 US dollar. So this is a win-win situation. So if you're interested in this referral program, you can go to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.